I want to be a firefighter.
I want to be a pilot.
I want to be an astronaut.
I want to work in technology.
Why don't you work at Saint-Gobain? Their products have a role in all of that.
Manufacturing is cool!
I want a job with real opportunities, not something dirty or outdated.
Most people think a factory is just a dirty old building with steam coming out of the roof. But we learned that a career in manufacturing offers so much more. This is Saint-Gobain, and we're here to show you why manufacturing is cool.
Preforming, so you can actually see the process start now. Taking a powder, putting it in a tube, and she will compress the powder and make it a solid piece.
It all starts with a simple powder, but through precision manufacturing, it's transformed into miles of protective coating that is essential for high-tech wiring, advanced electronics, and even the heat-resistant zippers on firefighter gear.
Without this little place in Hoosick Falls, planes don't fly, cell phones don't work. There's so many major little components that we take care of here, and I don't think people just drive by and see it's a factory with steam coming out the roof.
It's not just about making tape, it's about making the world move.
You know, industry-wise, you know, we're not going anywhere, and it's you know, it's a nice, proud feeling to work for a company that kind of looks ahead, looks into the future, not just thinking about now.
Get a job here. I got hired, and here I am today, very proud. I couldn't speak in front of you guys when I was in high school. I can do that now. I'm thankful to Saint-Gobain for that.
People think manufacturing is stuck in the past, dark, dirty, or loud. But look around, this is a new era. We're talking ultra-clean environments and cutting-edge machines used to solve real-world problems.
I'll be honest, I thought manufacturing was gross and dirty. I didn't think there were many opportunities or that it was a place for me, but I was wrong. Manufacturing is clean, it's safe, and it's full of opportunity.
Wow, manufacturing really is cool.